Can you give us an update over the holiday season?
Well, happy holidays to everyone. Not all our staff will be in over the holidays, so please follow us on Twitter and or at ontario.ca. Our dashboard won't be getting updated on our website. Please be careful over the next several weeks. If there's anyone visiting from outside, please screen them. Maintain social physical distancing as best you can, but it's absolutely best to stay within your household. So for the 23rd of December 2020 at 2 o'clock, we have 76 active cases at present. We had 7 new cases today, but the vast majority of those were known to us and part of our quarantine. So we have no surprises going on right now in our community. Our rate continues to go down, so it's at 28.6 per 100,000. We anticipate it going down further. Thanks again. Our test numbers continue to be at all-time highs, which is great. It's the way we can get reassurance of what's going on in our community. One of the highest testing rates in the province at 8,966, so big thanks there. Our percent positivity as a result of high testing but low incidence continues to go down at 0.86, so that's very good news. More good news is that we have 1 person in hospital now, no one in the intensive care unit, and so those 2 individuals that were in the intensive care, they're getting better. And just to give you an update on outbreaks in our community, the vast majority of these are under control. Many of these will be resolving in the next couple of days, but total number of cases associated with places of worship over the last several weeks has been 38. Again, Chevol's Collision Center was 29 cases. Off campus downtown, we had around 59 students test positive. In various workplaces throughout Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington, 17. And in terms of school, we had 2 students who tested positive at Regi High School. They were not associated, so there was no outbreak identified at the school, but we did have an outbreak associated with École Cathédrale, where we only have had 2 cases associated so far. As you may be aware, Correction Services Canada is having an extensive outbreak within 2 of their facilities, or at least at Joyceville. They have 89 cases and 6 cases of COVID-19, of individuals with COVID-19 at Collins Bay. So Collins Bay technically is not an outbreak since they were transfers from Joyceville to that institution, but we're monitoring 8 positive staff right now. And for Fairmont Long-Term Care Facility, there's 1 patient that's tested positive and 1 staff person, and clearly we're monitoring that very, very closely. So on the 23rd, we're heading in the right direction, but we need the whole community to continue to adhere to best practices. These next several weeks will be dangerous for our community where there is the risk of transmission, and we'll try to keep you updated over that time period. Maintain vigilance, maintain physical distancing, hand hygiene, mask wearing, and please try your best to stay within your household.